Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to unblock someone on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you've had a change of heart or simply blocked someone by mistake, unblocking them is quick and easy. Let's dive right into the process. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're inside, tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you'll need to select Settings and Support. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Once inside the Settings section, look for the Privacy and Safety option and tap on it. Now scroll down until you find Mute and Block. Tap on this option to proceed. Within this section, select Blocked Accounts to view the list of users you've previously blocked. Locate the account you wish to unblock. You'll see a Blocked button next to their name. Tap on this button and it will change to Unblock. Finally, confirm your action by selecting Unblock. Congratulations! The user is now unblocked and they can interact with your account again. That's all it takes to unblock someone on X. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your blocked accounts and reconnect with others whenever you choose. Thanks for watching.